Welcome to MathGPT. Today we are reviewing section 14-1.14 of the Mechanical Fuel and Feed Regulation. This rule gives a specific exception for how small boilers connect their water and steam pipes. Section 14-1.14 Mechanical Fuel and Feed includes an exception for small boilers. For boilers with a heating surface of less than 50 square feet, the connection below the water line must use a minimum 3/4 inch pipe. The steam connection must use a minimum 1/2 inch pipe, so the entire system meets the Part 14 piping and material requirements for pressure service. The heating surface label reminds us that the exception only applies when the surface is less than 50 square feet. The turquoise note points to the water connection below the water line, and the orange note points to the steam connection, so we see the minimum pipe sizes side by side. Now, a quiz question tied to that exception. For boilers of less than how many square feet of heating surface do we use the minimum pipe sizes listed in section 14-1.14? Option A is 50 square feet, option B is 48 square feet, option C is 52 square feet, and option D is 54 square feet. The correct answer is option A, 50 square feet, because that is exactly what Part 14 piping material and connection requirements for pressure service specify. Option B, 48 square feet, is not permitted or recommended under the same rule, so it is incorrect. Option C, 52 square feet, also conflicts with the written exception for small boilers. Option D, 54 square feet, is likewise not permitted or recommended under Part 14. We highlight the incorrect options simply to reinforce that only 50 square feet satisfies the mechanical fuel and feed exception. The note below summarizes that Part 14 does not approve the other thresholds for that material or joint method. Because Section 14-1.14 explicitly gives the exception for boilers with heating surface of less than 50 square feet, the answer is option A. Those are the minimum pipe sizes that ensure compliance with Part 14 for pressure service boilers.